Una clase de español con el Bajo del Norte. Hay que luchar para aprender.
Let's start by understanding the intro to this channel. Go to Quizlet.com and sign up as a student. Once you have a student account in Quizlet, click on the set link in the description below called El Bajo del Norte, la introducción. In this set, start by doing spell for 18 minutes or until you have completed it, whichever comes first. Always be listening, answering, and the one typing in Spanish. Be aware of the settings in spell at the bottom left, answer in Spanish, and you can choose slow or normal. After spell, do match as many times as you can for 5 minutes. In addition, or as a replacement of match, you might challenge yourself and do gravity for as long as you can. Always answer in Spanish. Now pause this video and come back when you are done in Quizlet. Congratulations, you have gained a bit of experience in the Spanish language. Now take a moment and watch the intro again and celebrate that you can understand it a little bit better, if not completely. Please ask questions in the comment section below as they come up.
Una clase de español con el Bajo del Norte. Hay que luchar para aprender.